Now, how many of you own an iPhone, you want to buy an iPhone, and you're still struggling, you still don't know how to easily transfer files from your computer, your Windows computer, to your iPhone? It's very easy, let me explain. I'm making this video in two languages, both Italian and in English. For those of you that are Italian or that understand more Italian, I highly suggest you to go watch that video because it's the same thing and it's probably easier for you to understand. Secondly, this video is not sponsored by this app, but still I wanted to give you some advices and I wanted to let you know how good this software is. So we all know how easy it is to transfer music, photos and everything from an Apple device such as a Mac or a MacBook to an iPhone. You just use AirDrop and it's super easy. When it comes to users that have an iPhone but also have a computer, a normal computer, a Windows computer, that is much more complicated, but I have a solution for you. And I'm gonna divide it in 3 steps and I'm gonna basically teach you a game changer. So the first step is to download the app. Just go to your app store, but I wanna add that also this app works on Android. So if you wanna have the same service but on Android and you don't wanna faff around using USB cables and everything, just use this app, it's the same thing. So you just go to your App Store, your Play Store, you download the app, you install it, and the first step is done. The second step is just to Google AirMore web, or you just can write AirMore. You click the first link that comes up and you immediately see there is a QR code. This connects to the third point, to the third step. So for the third step, I want to give you guys some more information. There are a few requirements to run this properly. The first requirement is to have your phone and your computer connected to the same network. So for example, I have my iPhone connected to the same Wi-Fi as is my computer. The second thing is that if you want to run normally this thing, you have to firstly open the app and then you have to open the computer. Now, when you are sure that you have connected both your phone and your computer to the same network, there are 2 ways you can synchronize basically the two. The first one is to scan the QR code. You just go to the app, you click the big blue button that is there. You can see it, it scans your QR code. You scan your QR code and automatically it synchronizes it and you are basically seeing your phone through the computer. The second way is to connect your phone using an IP address. So if you look closely on the top right hand corner of the screen on the app, there are 3 dots basically. You click on the dots and basically you have an IP address. Once you have that IP address, you can just go to your browser, for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, and automatically it connects to your phone. It's the same exact thing. Now, to actually transfer files from your computer to your phone, you see that on your app, on the computer, on the browser, there are a few menus. For example, images, photos, videos, files, music, whatever. You choose the menu that you want, for example, images, you take the photo from your computer, from your folder or whatever, you take the photo, you drag that on, and automatically it basically uploads it to your phone, and you see basically a progression bar, and when that's done, the photo is on your phone, or the video is on your phone, or music is on your phone. It's very, very easy. And guys, this is a game changer. So I really seriously hope that this video helped you. If it did, subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss any upload. Leave a like, a comment, let me know, especially if you like this kind of video and if you like the quality of the video and if you like the production of the video, let me know and give me some advices. So guys, thanks and I'll see you next time.